Hey guys, these are the no zones. There is the left side. You want to pass on the left side. There is the right side of the semi-truck. You want to stay out of these no zones. They're also dangerous. Those semi-truck tires, they can explode. They're up to 110 pounds of pressure. So you don't want to hang around these semi-trucks. You want to get in and get out of these zones as quickly as possible. These drivers drive all around the country. They're tired. They do the country a great service. They're from Illinois. You need to be safe. As we go down the trucks, this is what it looks like when you drive. You want to stay away from these trucks. You want to be safe. This is the right side of the no zone. This is the left side of the no zone. You can see how long the truck is. Be safe. Always be aware so you know what's going on.